Hello friends, there is a great news from for Mohali residents, especially residents who have bought property in already developed sectors around Sector 87. On your screen is a map from Gamada which shows area in red as commercial zone, the yellow implies residential zone, and the pink one indicates villages. As you can see, Sector 87 in red depicted as commercial zone in map is surrounded by three villages, that is Suhana, Nanu Majra and Manak Majra. Gamada is in process of acquiring land of these three villages for developing Sector 87 in lines with Sector 17 of Chandigarh. It is also planning to develop shopping street on this road stretch, that is this one, road stretch having sector 77 to 77 to 80 on one side and sector 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89 on the other. Now let's quickly go through news article and read what is in the future of Mohali. Here we can see Mohali's own sector 17 coming up in sector 87. Sector 87, which was earlier being planned as mixed use area under land pooling policy, will now be developed as purely commercial zone. Earlier on 30th of July, there were reports that Sector 87 will be used as mixed use land. But later on, as you can see in the news article, Mohali will soon get its own bustling commercial hut on lines of Chandigarh's iconic Sector 17. You are well aware of Sector 17 of Chandigarh. Now Sector 87, which was earlier being planned as mixed use area under land pooling policy, will now be developed as a purely commercial zone. Following directions of Punjab Department of Housing and Urban Development, Gamada is planning to develop Sector 87 as a lively business and shopping hub in next 2 years. Now, last week, Gamada has received representation from stakeholders that for change of land use, and they has proposed, the stakeholders have proposed that the Sector 67 may be developed as a mixed land area. But the department, the Punjab Housing and Urban Development, rejected the proposal and instructed the authorities, that is Gamada, to maintain the sector as a commercial destination. Gamada is currently in the process of acquiring, like it said in the map I shown before the news article, that 236 acres of land in three villages, that is Suhana, Manak Majra and Nanu Majra, is being acquired for development of Sector 87. Now there's another key highlight here, that Gamada Executive Committee gave formal proposal for acquiring a total of 2600 acres across Mohali, including 236 acres in Sector 87 for commercial use, 313 acres in Sector 84 for institutional development, 321 acres in Sector 101 and 103 for industrial projects, 1800 acres in Sector 120 to 125 along PR7 road for residential development. This is the future plan of Gamada. Then, according to Gamada's existing land pooling policy, only commercial plots are offered in return of land acquired for commercial development. Like for every acre acquired in Sector 87. Gamada allots 800 square yard of commercial space, comprising of one 300 square yard plot, two 200 square yard plots, and one 100 square yard plots. So this is all in the new